Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset Phone and click on Reset All Settings. Click on Reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on App Management. Click on App List. If you want to fix this problem, so click on Messages app, click on Storage and Cache and click on Clear Cache. After click on Clear Cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more latest new videos. Thanks for watching.